In Season 2, we will go deeper in expanding a designer-centric lexicon of terms for visual communicators in the creative industries to apply semiosis into your work. To do this, we will build upon the results from semiotic probes that I have used with design professionals. These semiotic probes were used in research projects with two collaborators, Professor Paul Cobley, a semiotician at Middlesex University, and Dr. Sheila O'Neill at University of Dundee. These semiotic elements, framed by design and illustration professionals in their own terms, offer Semiosis 101 with clues of how the Semiotic Rosetta Stone's meta-language can help the application of semiosis into visual communication practice. Now, these clues will be shown how they connect with the need of every visual communicator to successfully convey the intended encoded messages to the intended target audience.